Hello students, today we are going to see about the simplification of numerical expressions. Okay, what is the numerical expressions? The numbers and the sign within that. Okay, already you have studied addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. You have studied about it, right? Now, I am going to how to do the expressions in the simple way. Expressions in then it is 12 plus 5 minus 7 divided by 2 this way. In the same equation, same expression, it will be having different types of operations inside. Okay, so that I am going to tell you how to do it. Okay, so plus, minus, division, multiplication is there. So in that, which operation first you have to do? Either I can take multiplication, either I can do division or addition or subtraction. This way you have confused, right? So which priority you have to give? First, which operation you have to take? That I am going to explain. Okay. See guys, the simplification of numerical expressions in sense, 4 fundamental operations. What are they? Plus, minus, division and subtraction. Multiplication. Okay, that we can call it as a BODMAS rule. Okay, 2 or more operation if it is there, then you have to do BODMAS rule. BODMAS in sense BODMAS. BODMAS rule. In the BODMAS rule, B stands for bracket. B stands for bracket. The bracket will be having many kinds, right? It's a square bracket, curly bracket. You have more number of brackets that you can study in the next higher classes. Okay. And O in sense it is a off. OF off. Okay. The next one will be D. D is a division. D is what? Division. The next M. M is what? Multiplication. Then A is addition and S is subtraction. Okay. So you have to give the priority. First bracket, then off, then division, multiplication, then addition, the last one only subtraction. Okay. This priority if you give, then the expression, it is very easy, you can solve it. Okay. So fine. So I will, that bracket and off, now you don't want. Next higher classes, right? You will be studying that. Now I am going to deal here only DMAS rule. DMAS in sense what? Division, multiplication, addition and subtraction rule I am going to tell you. First priority what I told you? Division, then multiplication, then addition, then subtraction guys. You have to remember it. Okay. That order you have to do it. In the order only you have to solve the sums. Okay guys. Now I am going to do one problem here. It is find the value of 5 into 2 minus 9. Okay. What is that? 5 into 2 minus 9. How you do this? I told you DMAS rule. In DMAS rule, division is not there, okay, you leave it. Then multiplication, your next priority, you have to give, multiplication is there, the next subtraction. So which operation first you have to do? Multiplication only first priority. The next one only what? Minus, subtraction. The 5 into 2 is equal to 10. 10 minus 9. Then 10 minus 9 is 1. The first thing you have to multiply, then subtraction. Multiply in sense 5 into 2, 10. Then subtraction 10 minus 9 is 1 is your answer. You understand? Okay. The next thing is 2 plus 5 into 3. How you do this? So here multiplication, division is not there, okay. Multiplication is there, first priority. Then addition, okay, the second priority. The first one you have to go for multiplication, right? Then 2 plus 5 into 3, 15. Then 2 plus 15 is 17. Okay. So that is your answer. You should not do 2 plus 5, 10. 10 into 3, 30. It is also correct now, ma'am. No, it is not right. It is wrong. It is. First of all, you have to multiply those two numbers. Multiplication gives the priority. Then addition is the next priority. Okay. Now, so operators means you understand, right? What is operators? Will be plus, minus, division, multiplication. It is operators. Okay, fine. Now I am going to give 18 into 3 minus 30 divided by 2. Here more than 2 operations, right? Here multiplication is there, subtraction is there, then division is also there. What I told you, Demar's rule, division, then multiplication, addition, subtraction. Okay. Here first division. The division includes what? 30 divided by 2. The remaining thing you just write that, you just like that only you have to write. Don't do anything in this. 30 divided by 2 is 15. Am I right? 30 by 2 is 15. Okay. Then you come to multiplication. 18 into 3. What is that? 54 minus 15. The last one is subtraction. 54 minus 15 is 39. Okay. This is your answer. You guys understand? So this way you have to solve the problems by using the Demar's rule. Not only here, wherever the problems, wherever you are seeing that, okay, then this like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, if it is there, then that time you have to use only Demar's rule. Okay, that Demar's rule only gives correct answer. So if you are doing like a 18 into 3 minus 30 divided by 2, if you do, the different answer will come. The different answer is not the right answer. You have to apply Demar's rule. Okay, okay guys. Next question is, (16 divided by 8 into 3 plus 2 minus 4. So in this question, see, all the operators are there. Division, multiplication, addition, subtraction, everything is the same in this question. Okay, now what I told you, Demar's rule, division. 16 by 8. What is 16 by 8? 2. Okay. One operation is over now. The remaining everything you write down. Just write down. Okay. The second step, multiplication now. Multiplication, addition, subtraction is there. The next priority you have to give for multiplication. 2 into 3, 6. Plus 2 minus 4. Then after that, addition. Right? Demar's rule. Division is over. Multiplication is over. Then addition. 6 plus 2, 8 minus 4. The last step is 8 minus 4 is your answer. Okay. So you have to give the priority by using the Demar's rule. Okay. Guys, you understand this, right? It is easy. Only you just apply the rule, you'll be getting the answer very easily. Now, I am going to give 2 more sums in this. See, we will see it. 30 divided by 2 minus 15 divided by 5 plus 7. It's very big sum, right? Yeah? Okay. Division is there. 2 division symbol is there. Then minus is there. Then addition is there. Here no multiplication. Okay, fine. So I am going to do Demar's rule. First division I am going to perform. 30 by 2 is what? 30 by 2, 15. Then write minus. 15 by 5 is what? 3. Okay. First division. This division I am going to do it. Then plus 7. Okay. 15 minus 3 is? What is the 15 minus 3? 12. 12 plus, sorry. First of all, you can do addition. That is also fine then. But anyways, I don't want to confuse. 3 plus 7 is what? 10. here in this case what happens, minus 3 plus 7 it is coming, but you're not supposed to write 10 here, guys. That is a problem here it is. So minus 3 plus 4, minus 3 plus 7 it is becoming. So that will be like 4. 7 minus 3 is 4. So 15 minus 4 is 12. The next will be 7 minus 3 is what? Plus 4. So 15 plus 4 is 19. Okay. So first of all, again I'll tell you, division first I performed. 30 by 2 is 15. Minus, again 15 by 5 is 3. Okay. Then plus 7 I have written here. Then 15 minus 3 plus 7 is there. Again, what is that? Bodmer's rule, addition, then subtraction. Minus 3 here, plus 7 is there. It is plus 4. 15 plus 4 is 19. Right? Okay, the next sum. 12 divided by 2 plus 5. What you will do? First division, right? 12 by 2 is 6. 6 plus 5. It is very easy. It is 6 plus 5 is 11. Okay? Easy, right? The last question is 6 into 12 divided by 4 plus 18 minus 18. Okay? How you do this? First division I told you, right? So you focus division now. 6 into 12 by 4. It is 3. 3 plus 18 minus 18. Then multiplication, division, Demar's rule, division is over, then multiplication. 6 3s are 18 plus 18 minus 18 then. Okay. What is 18 plus 18? That is 36. 36 minus 18. After that, 36 minus 18 is 18 is our answer. Okay, guys. It's easy, right? Okay. The next thing is numerical expression for a given word problem. In sense, they will be giving the word in statement. You have to write the expressions. Expressions in sense, this expressions like this you want to write. Okay. After reading the statement properly, then you have to convert that statement into the expressions. Okay. And before that, I want to tell you here difference. What is difference in sense? Minus. Difference means minus. Sum. S-U-M. Sum means what? Add. Product means what? Multiplication. Quotient. In sense you have to divide it. It is what? Division. This is a code word. It is and all. Okay. Whenever you are reading the statements, this will be useful for you. You are just translating. You are just translating the statement into the expressions. Okay. Now you tell me a total cost of 6 cupcakes if each cost 2 rupees. How you do this? What is the total, what is the cost of 6 cupcakes if each cost is 2 rupees? In sense, how you do it? The keyword is total. Total, sum, everything is addition here. So here, the if price of 1 cupcake is equal to 2 rupees. Totally 6 cupcake is equal to what? How many times? 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. How many cupcakes? 6 cupcakes, right? So 6 times I have written. So 6 times 2 it is. This is the expression now. 6 into 2. Okay, one more. Subtract the product of 7 and 3 from 53. How you write? How you write? Very easy, see? The product of 7 and 3. Okay, 7 and product means 7 and 3. From 53. 53 minus. This is the expression. 53 minus 7 into 3. Okay. So next I will give you some of the statement that you have to express in the expressions way, right? You have to translate it. So I will tell you here 10 less than 14. How can you write? 10 less than 14. In sense 10 minus 14. 10 minus 14. Okay. 7 more than 9. How can you write? 7 plus 9. The quotient of 36 and 6. How can you write? 36 by 6. Right. 15 decreased by 7. How can you write? Decreased means subtraction. Minus it will be, right? Difference. So 15 minus 7. The product of 7 and 5. It is, how can you write? 7 into 5. Product means multiplication it is, right? 7 into 5. Okay. Now next. I will tell you some more word problems. It will be, you have to tell me the expressions, right? Sum of 15 and the difference between 7 and 5. Listen properly here. Sum of 15 and the difference between 7 and 5. Difference between 7 and 5 is what? 7 minus 5. Sum of 15. So 15 plus 7 minus 5. 15 plus 7 minus 5. Okay. Now next. Difference between 120 and the product of 6 and 7. Difference between 120 and the product of 6 and 7. So what will do? Product of 6 and 7 is 6 into 7. Difference between 120. So how can you write this? 120 minus 6 into 7. Okay, don't want to find the answer for this. Only they are asking here to write a statement. That's it. Statement or expression is very same it is. You can write it like that. Okay. Next one is sum of difference between 18 and 4 and the product of 9 and 3. How you do? So 18 minus 4 plus 9 into 3. Sum of difference between 18 and 4 and the product of 9 and 3. How you do? 18 minus 4 plus 9 into 3. This way you can do it. Okay guys. Next one is a patterns. Next subtopic will be patterns in numbers. What is number patterns? The same thing repeatedly it is coming. Series of numbers. Okay. Like sequence. That is also pattern in sense. What I will tell. Like you can play, you can play the marbles and all 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's a pattern like that. Right. So this is a pattern. Pattern means in numbers also pattern is there. What is that? See now. Here 1, 4, 7, 10. It is going on. What is the pattern they have followed here? It is adding of 3 each number. 1 plus 3, 4. 4 plus 3, 7. 7 plus 3, 10. And 10 plus 3, 13. 13 plus 3, 16. So the one thing they will be following throughoutly, either in multiplication, either in addition, either in division, whatever it is. But the same thing, the same pattern has to be followed for each and every term. That is a pattern. Okay. Yeah. One more. One more is, yeah. Then it is. The next is another example I will tell you here. 3, 9, 27, 81, 243. This way it is going on. So this is here what happens here. It is a factor of 3. The sequence has a factor of 3 between each number. This pattern is continued by multiplying 3 each time. So we have this sequence of what? Square numbers and all you can have here. See here what happens? 3 into 3, 9 into 3. Like this it will be going on. And one more. 1, 4, 9, 16. This way it is what? 1, 2 square, 3 square, 4 square. That is also a pattern. Okay. So thus a pattern is a series that follows a set of rules. Some rules they will follow. That we can call it as a pattern. Okay. Now I am going to give one grid like that. You have to complete the grid now. Okay. Now listen here. Okay, let me see. First of all, I will tell you one grid here. This grid, what they are telling here, see, this is 6, 15, 24, 33, 11, 20, 29, 38, 16, 25, 34, 43. So what is the next number here? See, 6, 11, 16 here. You are what you are doing here? Just plus 5 you are adding. Okay? From this column, what you are doing in this row it is, right? So here you are adding with a plus 5 down it will be. Okay, difference you can see then. So this plus 5 is what here? 16 plus 5 is 21. Here 15 plus 20, 20 plus 5, 25, 25 plus 5, 30. 24, this everything you have to add plus 5. 34 means here 39. So again everything is plus 5. The difference is like that. Then 43 plus 5 is what? 48. So this way you can find out the pattern first of all. Then you fill the columns. Then you fill up the miss out the squares here. One more that I will give you. Here this way it is. Now listen here. 24, 33. Okay. 34, 43, 52, 44 it is there. And 72. Here you are going to place it by getting the rule here. What rule here? 24, 33 is there. What you have to add to get 33? Guys, you know that? Okay. Here you check. Either way, this way or this way. So plus 9 if you do, 33 will come. Am I right? Yes. And plus 9 if you do, 42 will come. Then plus 9 if you do, what will come then? It will be here, 52 will come. 33, 24, 33, 52 it is coming. So 24, 34, 44, 33, 43, 53, 42, 52, 62, 52, 62, 72. Either you can do like that also when. Plus 9 it is fine. Then one more I can do it here. 24 plus 10, 34. 34 plus 10, 44. So you can add plus 10 in each column here. So plus 10 you can add it. You will be getting, you can complete that grid here. And one more I am going to give. The next thing is, here, like this it is given. Okay. This is 5, this is 3, this is 15 they have given. Okay. 6, 5, 30, 5, 8, 2, 5, 4, 7 and 6, 6. You have to what? Write the missing numbers. Missing numbers you have to fill up here. So what is 15? How can I get? 5 into 3 is what? 15. 6 into 5 is what? 30. So I got a pattern now. So first number and the third number I multiply. I am getting the middle number. This way I got a pattern. So 5, first number is 5. Last number is 8. 5 into 8 is equal to 40. 2 into 5 is equal to 10. 4 into 7 is equal to 28. 6 into 6 is equal to 36. So I filled it. Okay. So you understand guys now. Now last thing I am going to give that number series. Okay, some set of numbers they will be giving. Next 3 numbers you are going to fill out now. Now listen carefully. It is 10, 13, 16, 19, dash, dash. So how can you fill these three numbers here? First of all, you see the series, what is the rule they have followed. So 10 plus 3 is 13. 13 plus 3 is 16. 16 plus 3 is 19. 19 plus 3 is 22. 22 plus 3 is 25. 25. 25 plus 3 is 28. Okay, this way you can write the numbers. And one more thing. 2, 2, 5, 5, 8, 8, dash, dash, dash. How can you do this? Listen here. 2 into 1 is 2. 2 plus 3 is 5. The pattern they have followed is into 1 plus 3. Again, into 1. 5 into 1 is 5. 5 plus 3 is 8. 8 into 1 is 8. And 8 plus 3 is 11. 11 into 1 is 11. 11 into 3 is 33. So the pattern they have followed here, it is what? Into 1 and plus, here it is into 1 plus 3 they have followed. Okay, now you understood guys. That's it guys. Thank you.